Is Labubu really connected to the ancient demon Pazuzu? Why are strangers warning me that my Labubu is evil? Why are kids waking up at 3:14 a.m. scared and crying? Are these toys just cute, or do they carry dark energy? Before you buy this doll, watch till the end. You need to know the truth. Have you ever seen a toy that felt like it was staring into your soul? At first glance, it looks like something out of a fairy tale. Cute, strange, playful. But the more you look at it, the more you start to feel something isn't right. This is the story of Labubu, a toy that's gone viral across the world. But behind the hype, behind the colorful shelves and trendy videos, is a dark truth no one's talking about. Labubu is a doll from a popular designer toy series called The Monsters, made by an artist named Casing Leung in Hong Kong. It looks like a small animal or monster, but here's the strange part. It has sharp teeth, wild hair, a creepy smile, and demonic eyes. The toy is produced by Pop Mart, a famous Chinese company that's known for making cute collectible toys in blind boxes. That means when you buy a Labubu, you have no idea which one you're going to get. It's a surprise every time. And that surprise is what makes it so addictive. Some versions are ultra rare, so collectors keep buying boxes to try and get the one they want. On TikTok and Instagram, millions of videos show people showing off their Labubu toys like it's a prized treasure. In June 2025, a life-sized Labubu was sold at a Beijing auction for over $150,000. And people are obsessed with it. Teens, adults, collectors, even kids are going crazy over it. It's expensive, rare, and weirdly being called cute. But ask yourself, why are we calling something that looks scary and disturbing adorable? When did creepy become the new cute? But no one asks the real question. What are we really welcoming into our homes? Some Labubu doll owners have shared creepy experiences online. One user said the doll kept changing its position, even though no one touched it. Another said she kept waking up exactly at 3:14 a.m., feeling watched. One woman heard scratching noises near her shelf. Another said her cat refused to go near the doll. Coincidence or something more? From an Islamic point of view, we don't believe toys have power. But we do know that Shaitan can use objects, especially those tied to fear, ugliness, and distortion, to invite darkness into a home. The Prophet ﷺ taught us that certain images, statues, and even dolls resembling living creatures can prevent angels of mercy from entering a house. So the question is Labubu just a toy? Or is it a modern tool of Shaitan? But here's the scary part. This isn't just about one doll. It's about something much deeper and dangerous. We're slowly being taught to love things that are ugly, weird, even demonic. We are getting used to calling darkness as cool and evil as entertainment. This is exactly how the Dajjal, false messiah, will fool people by mixing truth with lies, good with evil, and making us confused. Why Muslims should be worried. Our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ warned us that before Dajjal comes, there will be a time when fitna, that is, trials and confusion, will spread everywhere. This creepy cute culture is part of that fitna. It desensitizes us. That means it makes us numb to wrong things. We stop feeling disturbed by evil and start liking it. So ask yourself, is this just a harmless trend? Or is it something that's quietly pulling your heart away from Allah? As parents, as believers, we must open our eyes. This isn't just about a toy. It's about our values, our homes, our children's hearts. What we welcome into our lives affects our souls, even if it's small, even if it looks harmless. It's time to reflect. Are we allowing Shaitan to enter through the things we find trendy? Let's replace confusion with clarity. Let's give our children what nourishes their iman, not what decorates it with darkness. Because not everything that's popular is pure. Don't stay silent. Speak up. Say no to Labubu dolls in comments. Share this message with every parent you know. Let's raise awareness, because raising a righteous child is worth more than any trend.